I call this the Podal. It's an open source hardware and software programmable guitar pedal centered around Electrosmith's Daisy Seed, or more specifically their prototyping device called the Pod. Let's have a listen to a few effects first, then I'll describe how it's programmed. So this is playing through pedal board into an Iridium, Strymon Iridium, which is an amplifier emulator, and then into my mixer, and then recording it into OBS. So here we've got a tap tempo delay. Feedback on the left and wet dry on the right. And then on the right tap button, it changes changes the subdivision. And to triplets. So not that dissimilar from a Boss DD8 on the standard setting. You get the idea? And then we've got, if we press this button, we go across to a tremolo, which is a bit extreme. So rate is on the left knob and depth is on the right knob. The encoder here changes the phase of the right channel, so you get a kind of stereo effect, but this is just running in mono, so there's not much point. I can show that on the when it's connected to the pod. Comparing that with the Flint. Just got a number of different settings. I'm guessing just different filtering going on. Slightly different algorithm maybe. Then we also have an overdrive with the left knob as drive, the right knob as volume, and the encoder as a low pass filter. So just more like sort of overdrive. And dial some of the tops off a bit. And just comparing that with the Duke of Tone. So the bottoms have been rolled out before it's distorted there. So there's some work to be done on this, but it's all experimental. I actually think it sounds a bit different to the Gentilda one, so I'll need to have a look at what I've done there. Keep working at it. It's the great thing. It's programmable. You want to change it, go for it. The programming is done using pure data with the pretty amazing plug data application, and also Gentilda as part of Max and the OPSI package. So here, this is that overdrive patch, and I've got the pod connected up and reset it, ready to load, and then compile. Away it goes. Hopefully not find any mistakes. And then we should have that sitting on the pod. And a bit of luck, I've got this set up. So I grab a guitar, turn the pod up, and then we have it on the pod, and then the idea is we can simply flash that across to the pedal. I'll just quickly do that. Yeah, the idea is prototype on this and then flash it into here. So a little hole on the side, it goes in there, and then I've got a hole in the bottom of mine so that I can reset it in this slightly hacky way. But it works. And then same thing, compile, and it flashes that to the pedal in the same way. And let's try the same thing in Max. There we go, ready to roll. So yeah, this is a tap tempo delay. I think I've got the multi one here. May as well put that one on, and then we can see what was working, what wasn't. I think it was this. Soon find out. Again, you know, I can try this stuff on the pod, and then when I'm ready, just patch it to the pedal. So I didn't have it reset there properly. Try that again. There we go, flashed to the pedal in Max and Gen Tilde. And this is the Gen Tilde version of the distortion. I don't know if I did some filtering different here. That's for the Duke of Tone. Same filter. Roll it right off. Anyway, so work to be done experimenting with those. It's a great thing. I can just play around, flash to the pod, and work it out. This is also the multi, so I can go across to the tremolo, and of course the tap delay. This one even starts to. Anyway, that's the idea. I've got a few more boards. I'm going to build a few more, and then go for version 3, which hopefully will be in a better place for sharing with others. Anyway, it's all open source. It's all open hardware. Check it out.